Oh, hi there. I'm Kimmy T, and welcome to my introduction to the cell membrane for grade 11 biology. All cells have a cell membrane. This is the basic structure of the cell membrane. It is called a phospholipid bilayer because it has two layers of phospholipids. The circle is the hydrophilic head, a water-loving molecule, and the tails are hydrophobic, water-fearing. This membrane is selectively permeable, meaning it will allow certain substances to enter but keep out other substances. On closer look at the cell membrane, you can see large protein molecules embedded in the phospholipid bilayer. The proteins that go through the entire phospholipid bilayer are called integral proteins. These integral proteins sometimes have a channel running through them to allow for the passage of substances. This type of protein is called a transport or channel protein. Some proteins have carbohydrate chains attached to them that are used to identify substances trying to enter the cell. You can also see cholesterol embedded in the hydrophobic tails to prevent some water-soluble molecules from entering the cell. Molecules can enter the cell by either active or passive transport. In passive transport, the cell uses no energy. Small molecules move from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration. There are three types of passive transport: diffusion, which is used by small nonpolar molecules such as oxygen and carbon dioxide; facilitated diffusion, which is simply diffusion through a transport or channel protein; and osmosis, which is the transport of water across the cell membrane. Here you can see an example of facilitated diffusion through a channel protein as well as a carrier protein. Both processes are passive, meaning no energy required, and are moving molecules from an area of high concentration to low concentration. But instead of passing through the cell membrane, some larger molecules pass through a channel in the embedded protein. Other molecules are attracted to specific carrier proteins by an enzyme and travel into the cell through this protein. When the solutes are too large to cross a semipermeable membrane, it is the water molecule that diffuses. This process is known as osmosis. It is passive and flows from an area of high concentration to low concentration, trying to maintain equilibrium inside and outside the cell. Thank you for watching my introduction to the cell membrane, and please tune in tomorrow when we will discuss active transport.